Welcome to Walkthrough Wednesday. Let's take a look at the East to West Alta 2775KFK. This one's a beauty.
American Trap.
Thanks, Squatch. Meet the brand new East to West Alta 2775KFK, a front kitchen travel trailer that blends chef-friendly workspace with a private king bedroom and Alta's signature construction. The panoramic front kitchen window floods the solid one-piece counter with natural light, while the living area delivers true lounge comfort with a plush theater sofa and hideaway TV. Enjoy plenty of headspace in this unit with full 81-inch interior height, along with accent lighting and dimmable strip lighting in the ceiling. Outside, Alta's thoughtful utilities are included, those being a universal docking station, enclosed and heated underbelly, on-demand tankless water heater, up to 400 watts of solar, power awning, Asdel exterior siding, and more. Mid-coach, you'll find a spacious residential-style bath with full shower. At the rear, retreat to a private bedroom with a 72 by 80 king bed, full-height wardrobe storage, and washer-dryer prep. If you love cooking, relaxing, and stretching out, this is the Alta for you. The floor plan may be new, but the quality, durability, and features that Alta is known for aren't new. Backed up by mandatory feature packages like Explore Comfort, Adventure Outdoor, and Base Camp, you can look forward to one of the best-backed trailers on the market. Thanks for sticking around for another Walkthrough Wednesday. Drop a like if you think Christopher did a decent job, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any walkthroughs. The Alta 2775KFK is coming soon. Email, call, or visit us at www.inthehuntrailers.com to reserve yours.